Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm Anne Oswald from INFPC, and I have the pleasure to present you our initiatives, lifelonglearning.lu. But before showing you the website, let me just briefly introduce the INFPC. We are the National Institute for the Development of Continuing Vocational Training. We are a public institution under the Ministry of Education, Children and Youth. Our activities are structured around three strands of work. Just to explain that, our main mission is really to promote continuing training for companies and individuals. That means awareness raising for lifelong learning. The lifelonglearning.lu is really the Luxembourgish reference website for lifelong learning. Our three strands of work, the first one is to guide companies. We have a co-funding training, the first one, the training observatory, and then the lifelonglearning.lu portal. The first one, the co-funding training, that's an activities where we would like to help companies asking for co-funding for the training to help them with, to provide them with information and support service. The co-funding of training is these procedures. Thank you. Okay, merci. Here we are. The co-funding training is this national procedures that allows companies to ask for financial support for their training plans to the attention of their salaries. And it means that it's a financial aid of 15% based on the annual training investment. And what we do in this department from INFPC, we guide companies, of course, and we also analyze all applications. And then a second field of action for INFPC is to carrying out monitoring and development activities for the training throughout the training observatory. The goals here are to provide public authorities and also private companies with trends and statistical indicators which could drive their actions. And the training observatory reflects also the desire of the government to build accurate statistical knowledge and also training-related, reliable, qualitative analysis. And finally, we have the lifelonglearning.lu portal. We manage and run the portal at INFPC. You have to see this portal really as a practical tool for individuals and companies. It's really built, it's user-centered, I hope, user-centered, and it's also built as a practical tool. You can see this website as a clearinghouse for lifelong learning. Let's have a look right now on the goals of the objectives of the portal and then the targeting people. What we would like to do with the portal is really to help people, first of all, to help people finding information on training and to facilitate the access to information. Either the user accesses to the training adapted to his or her needs, or the users can have an access to information on training, on the training context here in Luxembourg. The portal is also built to be a relevant communication tool for training providers. Indeed, they can be referenced on the platform and they can present their training courses, their activities, their training activities. We propose different packages of service to the training providers. And lifelong learning is really the national portal for lifelong education and training here in Luxembourg. Talking about targeted people who are there, we have training buyers and training providers. That means individuals that are looking for a training or information on training. It can be employees, unemployed persons, retired persons, students, everybody interested by training, in fact. And also companies, of course, that means CEO, HR, managers, people dealing with the training plan in the company. And, of course, the training provider. The training provider, we have only approved training providers, member of the platform, only approved training bodies. It can be private training bodies, non-profit organization, association, or also institution, like the Ministry of Education, professional chamber, every kind of training body here in Luxembourg. And we have also the training room renters. That means companies, they would like to communicate on the training they can rent for training. They can also become a member of the platform. Let's have now a look on the content. On the content of lifelong learning, we have, in fact, from the homepage, you see we have different information blocks here, you see everywhere. And just to explain, we have two main types of contents on the website, on the lifelong learning. First of all, on one hand, we can find a training course to give the possibility to consult training programs. And the second, that means that's almost 80% of the content of the website. And the second main type of content you will find on the lifelong learning deals with information on training. And that's almost the 20 last part, of course, of the content of the portal. The goal here is really to inform, but also to encourage action for individuals and companies by registering to the training needed. But what kind of training can we find on the portal? We can find standard training or off-the-shelf training, customized, custom-made training, of course, and e-learning. And in terms of duration, you will find 1 day, training for 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, several weeks, depends on what you are looking for. And of course, we will find the courses can be held during the day, at the evening, or during the weekend. And then from the homepage, we have here the search engine to let people enter to the different programs. And to help them, we propose 3 ways. A keyword search, you have here, what do you want to learn? You have also a search by training domain and the possibility to search by training provider. And of course, we can also filter the results, but I just would like to show you an example, a bit more, if it works. Yes. Okay. So you have here all the... Ça n'a pas marché? Ah.
C'est difficile maintenant.
Ok. Sorry, technology. Une, deux, trois fois. Okay.
Tu dois regarder sur...
Oh oui. Okay, here we are with the search engine. Just to show you an example, if I would like to find a courses in accounting, for example, without, we will click on the search, and every kind of results are also presented in categories. We have always training courses, and then training providers, and then other content. And for the training courses, you see, we have here more than 200 training courses, and we have always the training provider, the title of the training, the date, and the place it will be organized. And when we click on one title, you will have the description of the training. So the duration, the objectives, the content, the target group, or additional information that's in the center zone of the page. And on your right, you will have practical information. Always the contact of the training providers, some characteristics of the training, and next session, the dates, the price, and as I said before, the objective is also to encourage action. That means, okay, that's the training I need, I can subscribe. Okay. I come back to my presentation, okay. That's what we have on the lifelong learning, and of course, you can also filter the results, because 263 training courses, it's a lot of training, and you can filter the results, of course. That means like a funnel, you can choose the field, the city, during the day, at evening, or the duration, the price range. We have all this filter. It's like different question you can try if you want afterwards. Different questions the user can ask, can answer or not. And then the second part, the second type of content we have also on the website deals with information on training. Here we have all this navigation here. You can see. We have all this navigation here with some information about what we are talking about. Also training courses. We have also this search by training domain. That means we have more than 9,000 training courses presented on the website in every field. And what we have done to ease the search is also to present the training courses in 16 family of training domains to ease really the search. And we have also an access to this through the navigation. And in this part, you will also find all the training regulated by the Luxembourg states, like parental assistance, crafts, health, professions, and so on. Also a part with diplomas. Which diploma can I obtain through continuing training? A part dealing with support, financial support for individuals or companies. Guidance, that means also some information about guidance in Luxembourg and some procedures for adults, some procedures to enter the labor market or to re-enter the labor market. But of course, we have also a direct link on this part with the Maison de l'Orientation, the Luxembourgish Guidance House. A presentation of it will be made later this evening. Now, what I would like to propose you is to go deeper in some of the contents. That means we have here all these information blocks, as I said already, but this is the most consulted content on the website, and we built different pages to show in another way the information. Because, yes, we are all different and we search all with different view or habits on the internet or on the website. Okay. So we have this part, adult training of the Ministry of Education. You can see that like landing pages where we gather all the information. And this page, we built this page in collaboration, of course, with the Department of Adult Learning from the Education Ministry. And you will find here, as Chantal or Eric said before, you will find all the training courses presented in the catalog from the Department of Adult Learning. And of course, we have split different information. That means you have the general training courses proposed by secondary schools, municipalities, or associations under contract with the Department of Adult Education. You have also access to basic education, to personalized learning workshop for adults, training related to naturalization, and of course, training related to also to integration. So what we present here, it depends on the content. If you go, for example, in one part, basic education, you will find a page with all the details for these procedures, the objectives, what is going on there, and so on. With always a contact person to not to let lost the user. And the objective with this part, the adult training, the training offer of the Department of Adult Education is really tailored to meet the needs of adults. So that's an important part to show also on the website. Then we have I lost the mouse. Okay. Then we have also this part, the diploma through continuing training. That's also a part really interesting for people because here in Luxembourg we have, in fact, 3 ways to obtain a diploma after leaving schools. That means first way is by the second qualification route. You have here gather all the possibilities to follow a course, with after school, and to obtain a type of diploma from the general secondary education, the classical, higher education. But this is one way. Another way, also interesting, is the validation of non-formal and informal learning. That's a procedures. An additional means, in fact, to obtain a diploma in Luxembourg. And we have here also a video with a presentation of upskilling, I don't waste the person, the upskilling path. And then the third means is really the recognition of diploma acquired abroad. And then you have also financial support, where we present all the possibilities for individuals in terms of special paid leave, like the individual training leave, giving free time to people to follow a training. Organization of working hour, that means working time arrangement, unpaid training leave, all that exists in Luxembourg. And when you click on all these parts, you will always find details. And also specific financial support with tax, for example, tax deductibility, state financial for students in state financial aid for students in higher education, and the Erasmus Plus program. And then we have also the last part, the co-funding of training. That's the financial aid for a company. And there we propose on this page different tools to give them access to these procedures, like, of course, the form, the application. That's really important. That's the only link where they can find the application, either in French or in German. Also a video tutorial to explain how to fill in the application, step by step. Some explanation on what we are talking about with this financial aid, and also really interesting, what are we talking about with the training investment. In Luxembourg, you will have expenses for salaries, and then for internal trainer, for training providers, and so on. And of course, the co-funding calculator, that's also really interesting to see, to estimate how much company could obtain. And then, I would like to come back to the presentation. Does it work? Okay. I don't know, sorry. I don't know if it works. For the presentation, sorry. For the PowerPoint. Okay, thank you. So, and then perhaps just a few words on the training observatory. Okay, okay. So we have also, with the training observatory, three kinds of studies and analysis, just for information. The transition from school to working life, to explain to students, teachers, counselor, guidance counselor, how it works with the education system. We would like to answer a question like, do people find jobs related to their studies, or what kind of professional breaks or transition do they cope with? That's one part. Another part is also dealing with in-company training practices, and of course the training offer. I can let you that discover on the website. And then some key figures, just to let you know what we are talking about. More than 9,000 training courses published, 250 training providers. Also, per month, on average, we have 46,000 visits. That means more than 200,000 pages viewed per month. And the demand and the offer are quite similar. When we have a look on the training domain most proposed and the training domain most consulted, they are really quite similar when we look at the top 5 or the top 10. We have always languages, computer science, personal and professional development, software, and a lot of others. And then, just a last point I wanted to show you today is we try to keep contact also with users, not only on the website, but also by participating to festivals, to to different presentation. And you see, we have here a leaflet. You have somewhere just over there. A little leaflet. It's really a B2C tool to say, oh, you can find a training course on lifelonglearning.lu. That's one of our products. We have also a B2B tool, communication tool. That's the répertoire des organismes de formation, the directory of training bodies to help company for the training purchase. And then we have also a newsletter from News to send information on training, but also to send every week next training courses, always classified with the 16 training domains. And then also an info line where people can phone us and ask whatever dealing with training, every kind of questions. Thank you very much for your attention.